Hello, welcome to today's video. We are going to be working on a variation for the 5-finger exercise number 1, and that is we are going to be playing with dynamics. So please remember, go over this exercise first before working on the hand independence exercise for dynamics. What we want to be able to achieve is playing varying or different dynamics with the 5-finger exercise number 1. For example, start with one hand at a time. We're going to do the right hand first. And then we're going to start with legato. Of course, we're going to go through all the other articulations as well. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to start on forte, or I guess we can start on fortissimo. Fortissimo, forte, fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, mezzo piano, piano. So we want to assign a different dynamic to every key, and then of course we're going to go backwards. Let's try that out. Very slowly, one finger at a time. Fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, mezzo piano, piano. If you need to try it very slowly, go ahead and do that. Eventually, though, we would like to be able to do this with the metronome. Okay, let's try that again. One more time. Fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, mezzo piano, piano. And then backwards. Piano, mezzo forte, forte, fortissimo. Let's try it now with the left hand. Same thing. Start on fortissimo and work your way down to piano, then back. Fortissimo, forte, mezzo piano, piano. 2, 3, 4, piano, mezzo forte, forte, fortissimo. 2, 3, 4. As you practice that over and over again, and you're able to comfortably play a different dynamic for each key, let's go ahead now and try with both hands together. Starting with fortissimo, working our way this way, and then back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fortissimo, forte, mezzo piano, piano. 2, 3, 4. Piano, mezzo forte, forte, fortissimo. 2, 3, 4. Now, in order to achieve that, remember once again the key to playing varying dynamics on the piano is heaviness or soft or lightness. If you need to practice that, take your arm, place your fingers on your arm, and practice playing heavy, and then just slowly get lighter and lighter until you're able to do it. Now, a supplementary way to practice this is to play with the 5-finger exercise number 2, except we're not keeping them all down. We're just going to repeat each key 4 times. Fortissimo 4 times. And then forte 4 times. Mezzo forte. And then mezzo piano. And then piano. Practice that way too. Mezzo piano. Mezzo forte. Forte. And then fortissimo. Now, judging the difference of dynamics can be a very subjective experience. We could use a scientific instrument to measure the sound waves or the decibels, and we can apply those decibels to each dynamic. Of course, that makes it too scientific and it's too much work. I would like for you to decide upon what fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, mezzo piano, and piano is to you. What does it sound like to you? And we'll work together on that. Next, let's go ahead and practice it the other way. Let's start with piano down here and work our way to forte up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Piano, mezzo forte, forte, fortissimo. 2, 3, 4. Fortissimo, forte, mezzo piano, piano. 2, 3, 4. Let's practice with that without saying it. Just think it in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is, as you can see, I kind of played non-legato. Let's go ahead and try it with legato. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Or backwards. 2, 3, 4. So 2 things, you should hear it getting louder, but you should also feel it getting heavier and lighter. Let's go back to the non-legato. 1, 2, 3, first, soft. And then, of course, the last way to play it is staccato. Remember, dynamics and articulations are different, but we can also put them together. Here we go, soft to loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, do the bounce with the wrist. Notice it is still staccato, but the dynamics are changing. Loud to soft. 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. So this is the 5-finger exercise number 1 with all 3 articulations, but playing different dynamics. Now this is going to help you play with crescendos and decrescendos in your music. And this can be applied to any hand position you want, or any kind of line of music that you want. So please practice this well, one right after another. We'll practice this at your lesson, and I will have you demonstrate with the metronome. And we'll see you at next lesson.